Listen, I've been thinking a lot lately. I've spent years searching for meaning in life, thinking about how life was meant to be enjoyed. And in the end, it's almost like I gave up on life. I put aside my dreams and made promises to change things, but never truly got started. Every day, I woke up with a hopeful look forward, believing things would get better. But life just kept on moving, and I kept wasting time. I felt stuck and didn't know how to get out. So I realized I'm not alone. Many of you are feeling the same way. You live your life in procrastination. You promise yourself you will change, but you never do. You scroll through your phone and spend endless hours. Your life feels empty. The amount of time you waste is vast. And as you look back, you'll realize you didn't waste just one day. You lost years and years of opportunity, of chance, of potential. But you don't need a reason to change things. You don't need reasons anymore. You really don't. All you need is the courage to take action, to start now, to stop waiting for the perfect time, to accept that you can't change everything overnight, and to never waste another day. Remember, time is eternal. It never waits. So, use this time wisely. Choose wisely. Choose to do something amazing. Choose to be the best version of you. Don't waste your life. Use this one precious gift, your time, wisely. Change your life today. Change who you are today. Don't let time go to waste. Let it be the reason you get to do something amazing. Because one day you might look back and realize you had the chance to do something special, something extraordinary. Don't waste your time. Go make something great happen. Go chase your dreams. Go become the best version of you. And sometimes in the end, you'll look back and realize you had your whole life here. Don't let it go to waste. Use it wisely every day. So what are you waiting for? Are you still waiting for the perfect time? Or are you ready to rise and make things happen? Don't waste your life. Use it wisely. Do one amazing thing today. So let's make your life amazing. Let's make our lives amazing. Let's become the best versions of ourselves.